Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay not working in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Apple Pay is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app and you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go to general section here, go to VPN and device management and just disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. After disconnecting your VPN, just go to the software update and try to update your software. After updating software, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you just have to make sure that you have credit balance in your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet, or you can also try to check for your credit card or debit card if it has been expired. Or if it's still not expired but you're still facing the same issues, you can go to your settings app and here go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone and just select reset, then reset network settings. You just have to enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, just try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can contact with the Apple support team to get actual help. Now to do that, you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, then select this more option. And from here, just select Apple Wallet. And here, just get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.